No matter what the budget of your film is, you have to think everybody gets paid. So, what do I mean by this? Obviously, a lot of times, especially when we're new at filmmaking, we don't have the money to pay all of our actors and our crew, but you have to think of it as everyone gets paid. And by that, I mean, what are they getting out of the experience? If it's not money that they're getting, what are they getting out of the experience that is payment for them? What is it about shooting this film that is benefiting each of the people that is in the production? Each of the actors, what is it they're looking for out of this experience that makes it valuable enough for them to donate their precious time and resources so that you can make your film? The best way that I know of to satisfy this need is to simply have a conversation with the people that are going to be helping on the film. Hopefully, you've learned by now that when you're doing one of your first films or you're pretty new at it, to try to keep your crew as small as possible. But take the time to talk to each of the people that's going to be in the crew and all of the actors and see what it is that they want out of this process. They might just want some experience. They might want some footage that they can put on their reel. Find out what it is that they want, that they need. What is it that they're getting as payment for spending their time and their precious time and energy helping you create your film? There is such a wide spectrum of what people are looking for. But one thing that I've seen over and over is people, they know that people are coming in and they're donating their time and energy for free, so they don't want to ask too much of those people. But the reality is, if we think of it as everyone gets paid, then what is it that they are looking for out of this process? If they want good footage for their reel, then not pushing them to do a really good job lighting isn't really it's not giving them what they really need. For an actor, they might be looking for something for their reel. So if you don't push them, if you don't drive them as hard as possible to get those best performances that they can, then you're really failing at delivering what it is that the thing that they feel is payment for this action. If they want something for their reel and you're not really prepared and you don't create a good film, then they're not going to have something that's a high enough quality to show to other people. It's really important for you to take the time and energy to do the absolute best job that you can, so that when you have the end product, when the actor has delivered the performance, that you have done everything that you can and learned as much as you can about directing, so that you can get the best performance out of that person possible. They want to give you that so that they have that performance to show other people of their capabilities. If you go in and you're unprepared for your project, if the project is kind of well, this will be good enough, we'll just turn some lights on in the house, then your DP is not going to have cool enough looking images that he could show to someone else. So he's not going to be getting paid. So he's going to be wasting his time or her time. Basically, everyone that comes on set to donate their time should be and are most of the time quite willing to put in a huge amount of effort, but only when they know that effort is going to have good results. And those good results are how they get paid, in knowing that what they created was something special. So when you're going into a project, Don't think of it as I don't want to work them too hard because they're just doing everything here for free for me. Think of it as you are paying them with their own effort. You're giving them the opportunity to be their best version of themselves and to create something awesome. That's all I got for today. To be honest with you, I wasn't going to shoot this video today. I had a different idea. I've been repeating it over and over, and I couldn't get it out. So this is one of my little backup quick tip type things. It is really important to think of what each person wants on set so that you can be armed to deliver that to them. Love y'all, and I hope to see you in the comments. I'll try to shoot that video again, but I don't know.